It's not uncommon to be really tough with ourselves, to feel that inner critic telling us that somehow we're not doing it right, or something's wrong with us, or something of that nature. And what we need in those moments is deep self-compassion. And if we can grow with self-compassion, then we can start to be able to feel a little lighter and even a little more loving towards not only ourselves, but to the world around us. So I'd love to invite you to take a moment to meditate on the experience of self-compassion. Begin by finding a comfortable position in your body, allowing your body to settle into a relaxed state, releasing any tension, any agitation from your body. And take a moment to gently notice your breath, noticing the sensation of each inhale and exhale. And if you can, begin to deepen your breath just a little more. And with each deep breath, notice your body settling in and relaxing deeper and deeper. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your focus to your heart center, the area in the middle of your chest. Visualize a soft, warm light glowing in this space, radiating love and compassion. Take a few moments to connect to this feeling of compassion. Recognize that self-compassion can sometimes be difficult, especially if you've been critical or hard on yourself for a long time. It's okay to acknowledge this difficulty and to remind yourself that you are taking a courageous step by engaging in this practice. Take a deep breath and silently affirm, even though it may be difficult, I am willing to start to connect with self-compassion. I am willing to offer kindness and understanding to myself. Even though it may be difficult, I am willing to start to connect with self-compassion. I am willing to offer kindness and understanding to myself. Imagine that you are extending a hand of kindness to a small child within you. Visualize this child standing before you, looking vulnerable and in need of love and support. See their innocence. See their purity. As you connect with this inner child, feel a deep sense of tenderness and love arise within you. With each breath, imagine that you are embracing this inner child with compassion and acceptance. picture yourself wrapping them in a warm, comforting hug, assuring them that they are safe and loved. As you hold this image in your mind, consider that you are worthy of the same kindness and understanding that you would offer this child. Try offering yourself words of kindness and understanding now, and repeat silently or out loud, "May I be gentle with myself. May I be patient with myself. May I offer myself the love and care that I deserve." May I be gentle with myself. May I be patient with myself. May I offer myself the love and care that I deserve. May I be gentle with myself. May I be patient with myself. May I offer myself the love and care that I deserve. As you continue to repeat these phrases, feel the warmth of self-acceptance spreading through your entire being. Allow the love and acceptance to permeate every cell of your body. Acknowledge that it is natural to have moments of struggle and self-doubt. Remind yourself that self-compassion is a practice, and even the smallest step towards it is significant. Reaffirm within you your willingness to cultivate self-compassion. Remind yourself that it is an ongoing journey, and each moment of self-kindness is a step in the right direction. Now, shift your attention back to your heart center and feel the gentle rhythm of your breath and the loving energy radiating from your heart. Take a moment to express gratitude for your willingness to connect with self-compassion and for the love and kindness you have offered yourself. Recognize the importance of nurturing and caring for your own well-being. And as this meditation comes to a close, bring your attention back to your breath and take a moment to appreciate the practice of self-compassion that you have engaged in, knowing that you can return here whenever you need it. May you continue to be gentle with yourself. May you be patient with yourself. And may you cultivate a deep and abiding sense of self-compassion. Take a moment to ground yourself and express gratitude for this practice. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly and gently return to this present moment, bringing the feelings of self-compassion and kindness with you.